We would now move on to a much awaited event, an occasion that we all have been looking forward to. With immense joy and pride, I welcome you all to the release of the school annual magazine, Spectra 2024. The school magazine is not just a collection of pages, it's a reflection of our school's journey, achievements, and the talent that thrives within our walls. Today, we unveil the culmination of countless hours of hard work, creativity, and commitment. Let me take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all the contributors, the writers, artists, photographers, editors, and everyone involved in bringing this magazine to life. Now, I will request our distinguished guest of the day to do the honors. Please put your hands together. Thank you, sir, for being a part of this momentous occasion and helping us unveil the magazine, which our beloved principal has been instrumental in bringing forth this magazine, the first one of its kind in the history of STEMS, and whose guidance and vision continue to inspire us all to share his thoughts and reflections on the journey encapsulated within the pages of the school magazine. Father, please.
Respected Dr. Patil, the Chief Guest of the day, dear Father Paul, the Manager, my dear teachers, my friends and students, and dear parents, it's a privilege for me to welcome you all back to the school for this new academic year. We have been excellently doing all these years, and I'm very happy indeed this morning again to welcome you all once again. And we are to begin this year. And we should thank the Lord for the innumerable blessings that He had showered upon us. At the same time, we shall ask the blessings for the coming days and years. Let us say that we all work together to make St. Thomas and everyone attached to this more proud and happy all the time as long as they are with us. So regarding something related to the school magazine, I'm really thankful to the editorial board and the contributors in different ways all have contributed. I know the effort of the editorial board and all those people who are associated with it. Like all the children editors were there, otherwise the teachers, those who are involved directly into it, and otherwise also. And some of them have contributed with the advertisements, and all the people have very well contributed, and we know that how beautifully this magazine has evolved and is going to come into our hands. And we know last year we had the Science Expo that was very gloriously done. Related to that, we thought that we will have a magazine. So all the books that we find inside are related to science, whether it be the songs, the poems, the stories, and everything that we have are one way or the other related to science. So we are into the science field, and let us say that we are working together for getting ourselves more equipped in different ways so that we will be capable enough to compete with the world. Today, as I'm seeing these programs, I'm all the more delighted to see these programs wonderfully arranged by the teachers. And thanks to you once again. I welcome the parents and the students for this new academic year. May God bless us all. Thank you.